Hi guys. So recently SM decided to restock some of the older NCT albums. And even though I have almost all of them, I'm still missing some photo cards from my collection. So I decided to go ahead and buy some. Also because some of the older albums I had bought secondhand, so I never really got to experience unboxing them. Um, Anyways, they just arrived today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So basically got a few of the empathy sets. So I got some of the empathy reality, empathy dream. Then I got Wavy's sequel album, which this is one of the ones that I'm missing. And then I got Cherry Bomb, just because this is one of the albums that I really enjoyed the design of. So I just wanted to get another copy. Then I think also came with these freebies, which I think are from the 1-7 seasons greeting set. They're just kind of printed Polaroids. Mark, Doyoung, Woo, Johnny, Jaehyun, Yuta, Taeil, Hechan, Taeyeon. So I think I'll get started with Take Over the Sequel and Cherry Bomb, and then I'll do Empathy last. Cover, spine, the back cover. The CD, it's really cool. I think they collaborated with an illustrator on this album design. Yeah, I just thought this design is really cool. I'd really enjoyed if they ever did kind of like this kind of like holistic design to like an album again. It'd be really, really cool. Um, Photo card. I don't really have anyone whose photo card I really want, so kind of excited to see who I get. Oh my god, Jaehyun! So cute. It's the WayV's Take Over the Moon sequel album. I remember when it first came out, I didn't really think anything about getting it because it was around the same time as Neozone. And then it sold out really quickly and then never restocked. So I'm really glad they ended up restocking it so that I could add it to my collection. It kind of smudges easily, but really like fancy shoot. It's almost like a repackage, except that they didn't add any new songs. I think they just added like spoken tracks from the members. It's really pretty though. WayV always has these like kind of like luxurious looking photo shoots. Start with the circle card. Lucas! Oh, he's so handsome. It's a photo card. Oh my god, Lucas set. Wow. And whoop. Oh my god. Lucas postcard. Oh my god. It's a full Lucas set. Wow. That's pretty cool. So yes, next I will do the Empathy albums. So yes, I started with the Empathy Dream ones. It's really a lot heavier than I was expecting. I really like this kind of like this box because it makes it easier to store. the photo book. Quickly flip through it. Some really interesting design moments in this one too. But be interested to see how future NCT albums are designed. They released so much last year that it kind of all blurs together, and I don't know if I love necessarily every design decision. This diary sheet, and then the photo card. Win-win. Cute. Lucas. Lucas. Wow. Playing so much Lucas today. Jisung's diary sheet. And photo card. Kun. Tails diary sheet. Photo card. Kun again. Cute. Then I have the empathy reality ones. Jaehyun's diary sheet. And photo card. Tail. Cute. the sheet again. And tail again. Duplicate set. I don't know. Okay. I got Jan's sheet again. And then tail. Oh no, I hope the fourth one isn't the same. Oh no, this does not bode well. Got Jan again. I have a feeling this is probably tail soldier code again. Yep. Such a cute photo card, but I definitely don't need 4 of you. But yeah, so basically got 4 tail reality pieces. So hopefully I can find some trades. I might keep one, but yeah. And then 2 Kun Dream pieces. 1 Lucas. And 1 Win Win. And then for my other albums, I got Jaehyun Cherry Bomb. And then a Lucas set for Take Over the Moon sequel. But yeah, so that was just unboxing of my restock albums. I don't think I'll be buying any more restock albums just because I know there's a lot of comebacks happening soon. I know that Wavy was just announced like 2 days ago. Definitely have to save money for that. But thanks for watching this unboxing video, and talk to you guys next time. Bye!